Our journey begins in Friedhof Square, the historic heart of Maastricht. This expansive square has been a central gathering place for centuries. It is surrounded by significant landmarks, including the Basilica of St. Servatius and the Church of St. John. The Basilica of St. Servatius, a Romanesque church, is one of the oldest in the Netherlands, dating back to the 6th century. The Church of St. John, with its striking red tower, has been a prominent feature since the 13th century. These monuments stand as testaments to Maastricht's rich history and cultural heritage. Look around and you'll notice the intricate details of the buildings, the ornate carvings and the weathered stone, each telling a story of the past. Friedhof Square is our launchpad, offering a glimpse into Maastricht's historical significance. Dominating one end of Friedhof Square is the Basilica of St. Servatius, a significant Romanesque structure that has been a cornerstone of Maastricht's history since the 11th century. Its imposing towers, added in the 12th century, are a testament to the architectural advancements of the time. This basilica, dedicated to St. Servatius, the city's patron saint, has witnessed over a millennium of historical events. Inside, the basilica houses relics and artifacts that date back to the early Middle Ages. The stained glass windows, installed in the 19th century, illuminate the stone floor with historical scenes. The intricate carvings and soaring arches reflect the craftsmanship of medieval artisans. The Basilica of St. Servatius stands as a monument to Maastricht's enduring historical and cultural legacy. Our next stop takes us to Buchhandel Dominikanen, a unique bookstore in Maastricht. Located in a 13th century Dominican church, this bookstore merges historical architecture with literature. Visitors can browse books beneath Gothic arches, surrounded by the scent of old paper and incense. The bookstore also includes a cafe where you can enjoy a cup of coffee and a book in a historic setting. Leaving Buchhandel Dominikanen, we embark on a journey through Maastricht's rich historical tapestry. The city's historic centre is a labyrinth of narrow, winding alleys, cobblestone streets and hidden courtyards, each turn revealing a piece of history. The buildings, a mix of historical architectural styles, seem to lean towards each other, their upper stories almost touching. As you wander through these historic streets, take the time to visit key landmarks like the St. Servatius Bridge and the Basilica of St. Servatius. You'll find remnants of the medieval city walls, the Helpoort Gate, and traces of Roman history. The Friedhof Square, surrounded by historic churches, is a testament to the city's rich past. Our stroll leads us to Market Square, the historical heart of Maastricht's commercial life. This square has been a centre of trade for centuries, with vendors selling their goods from traditional stalls. The surrounding buildings and monuments tell stories of Maastricht's rich past. Shoppers can find a variety of items, from fresh produce to local crafts. The market is a testament to Maastricht's enduring commercial spirit, offering a glimpse into the rhythm of Maastricht's past and present.
Can I speak English?
And for a different perspective on Maastricht, we head towards the Maas River and the Wilhelmina Bridge. This modern bridge, with its sleek design, stands as a testament to contemporary engineering. As you cross the bridge, observe the cityscape, a blend of historical and modern architecture. The Maas River, integral to Maastricht's development, flows through the city, mirroring its architectural evolution. From the bridge, you can see the spires of historical churches and the rooftops of traditional houses alongside the green expanse of parks. The Wilhelmina Bridge offers a unique vantage point to appreciate Maastricht's architectural journey from a new angle. Our journey now takes us to the St. Servaasbrug, the oldest bridge in the Netherlands, built in the 13th century. This bridge has been a crucial crossing over the Maas River, connecting trade routes and facilitating commerce. Maastricht's cityscape reflects its rich history, with buildings from various periods coexisting. The historic houses along the riverbank have witnessed centuries of Maastricht's development. The Maas River has always been central to Maastricht's growth, serving as a vital waterway for trade and transport. The Basilica of Our Lady, Medieval Majesty. Our journey brings us to the Basilica of Our Lady, a prime example of Romanesque architecture. This medieval structure, with its towering spires and detailed carvings, highlights Maastricht's historical significance. Entering the basilica, one steps into a piece of medieval history. The interior, filled with the scent of incense and the sound of Gregorian chants, reflects the era's religious practices. Helpoort, guardian of the city. Our exploration of Maastricht takes us to Helpoort, the city's oldest standing city gate. This medieval gateway, with its thick walls and fortified towers, served as a crucial defensive structure, protecting the city from invaders. Helpoort's design reflects the military architecture of its time, emphasizing defense and fortification. The gate was a critical point of entry and exit, controlling access to the city and ensuring its security. Helpoort stands as a testament to Maastricht's strategic importance and its efforts to safeguard its people throughout history. These weathered stone walls, once formidable barriers, now stand as silent witnesses to the city's long history. Planning your next adventure? Find the best travel gear, backpacks, and must-have accessories in my curated Amazon lists. Check the links in the description. Thank you.